Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
MLA kamau kerwat constituency ubara nikdon lingdo tongkhar hanin kasngi ka khat ar tari unai weng arjar pusau ulapli patba ya coaching class for competitive examination hasngap CM College Southwest Kasihels District kashlam aji hikai nagbanta ke samla wat kam hapo ka district ya kani kashlam aji hikai lapanyat de Rilang Education Society ya balalam khmat de MLA ka than kumu president haringkat ke jeng Trilang bat kasngap CM College ki subject hagani ka coaching class kilong ka general English, general science, basic mathematics, bat ka general knowledge. Kumta na kalyang uba arinik don ling dotong khar ulogan tujur ki khun samla jong ka dong ka than bakin wan shakmat ban pendrung kerteng yelade hapo kani ka coaching class kabalong shisha kabadan kam yaki samla kumnu bakin tip khambha shushu bane khun ki exam ba pher kum ka DSC, UPSC, MPSC bat ki wei.
Try by themselves. Aku apa nongin pisai kau masih kesini rak ini kubur bersama. Until and unless you put an effort by yourself, nobody can help you. Ladang tim persang hidana di banle eswa dana jom anum don manu balak benera plan don. Tinggal ai kijing ai kulai ki sama hak pada ledeh kelas ngokia kelas serius kum kinong watkam banwat kijing start. Na kijing hikai pila bana bakaron ka coaching bat play enroll dilade bat lesena pedeng ki bala enroll ro shibon ki pakoi hangne lesena poi khambun ne la istom hi space te hendai kumba ibabu kuntiu ila patai bagin sa don biang singila badon sa kubai ka section na kam ngamshu ngila badon sa kubai ka section ban yo ai kijing hikai ngindang yai beteng bat ka enrollment kandang yai beteng kanum khang kanum kut ka enrollment kanang don hak ban sampai ke kapor balak biang ke enrollment ban yo ban sedang biang sako section insio ban sedang biang kata Henry lada kislam yo kalp shua ka de DSC exam te tang kata ka de jindu no aku apa ngi phi ba ka de kam de ka sim ka ban ko ngela persang ban le ka de coaching hak ka de ka snam ka balade haswa ban don tu ka DSC ba lade ngi lale coaching hak ba la organize ta ka Maukerwat Youth Association, Maukerwat Youth Development Association, hakabaki jong boarding room kali involvlang banera ya kini association, but kapasku tenat kalau ba na plan kini ki ba pas ya kini kadi esi kepada det, ibun ngut kidam kiba lalle jele deh kini coaching, but kila pas kini kesan. Dan mereka kalau kedor ke bakra, banlek kini coaching. Laka long masih siapa kalau tang 20% kembang boarding, tehendrai ke shop. Kidan berde ki bakal jat shop 80% nak coaching. Namar ke ke makiyo ki by heart ya kato, but ki bahan osep ki one lot ki ki by heart. Tehendrai kita 100% nak coaching kita nak pas di eksa. Tika shop haki brio. Tehendrai ki bangun berang kita kamu bah kadon kam by heart ya ke pelayo. Tehendrai banjai buat ya ke jing start na way kamang kabarakam ban ngintip ki ki pusan bakin ban kan bagi na isyong hangne ngalanang ron hakan ka slide ya ki knowledge yung ki bato ang to current affairs ngamtip kan ngur ki bagi ito rakti hok tangki balak pe ya kan bagi nang keren ya kan bagi nang ron hang to mano ki bagi ito rakti ki ba pe Toh, ini mereka pindah harga ni kabur. Kira yang pesisah ni pio ini don ayu. Ni kalau orang ini, mereka banyak kuat kalau orang dia berlaku smart berabar, berpek kita ki. Ngin sadar ke competition mata, hakaba kat sadar ke competition. Kato kini question kirwan na kato, ya kat slide kini aron mana. Ngin don se layu samut kibat saya prize, but nga kerpat kini hikai makin perfectlam manu ubah correct ubah yo ek answer kabade ban babuntam ban yo ban reply unyo first prize kanu ke second prize ke third prize ban ibar hadu ke fourth prize ya correct te nang ta jo fi saya persang ban ya penep jabing kidon ki jingkeli hakaba kande ka PowerPoint kan sa juba pro itu jingkeli tang bakin yo portang ketu menit nganum aji keren mana marba kadai ka coaching te namar bangam dai ru hikayat singam yo syu banwan hikayat fi te namar ketangan hikayat mentah ini hikayat mentah lo pada kene ka PowerPoint Kapag sa siyong tay, sa ay gani PowerPoint nga nung bunia mga hangni, ya kapag pipin pe, but ya kapag kandon kani competition nang kong mutaban yung hadu kadno film smart, hadu kadno step, ya kini kijingkili, kibadai kijingkili, kibasuk, kisya, kibabon, kibila patin lupa, kawai na kita, ko abri tu bangin answer, ya ka question paper jongka is kasihil, kibaladep. Kan sadon kita ya kapag sa manawar kilong kidon bon ba ki belong related batngi ki badehi ki general knowledge to state be khali ai kawai te kilong kabar kam hado kata tai ki bapin tip bapin learn nagane kini ki bangat sa ki bapile yo ito pile yo mene ki bagi lang kumbandri urusan teli ki post nagale kan si kala ada code application pile ya apply te ki don na plengi ki nak nanga skotra ki bitu kana ba kile to exam si shalom nagamta ki post po di si po shalom bagi bon ba ki bos antai ha is kasih ki is kutu nak nota jo ki samla ki bannom khme nanti tang dal ka jo state ni bane persan sa way ru bar kalong ka badai balle kuta ki don ro ki exam ha ka phila ban kre le de banle kum ha ka staff selection commission ka badai jo ka central government ki bon ki post ek ba persan ban wat no ban apply dal de ngin man persan banle kambang ira ngi squad ban itu ip bagi don ba ka jeng angot banjarap iki samla to yang tang dang le kene coaching le second boy ko pora dang ila bangin don ke office ka belum dedicated banjarap iki samla wat ban pen apply kam iki samla ki bawan ban apply ban penyarap bandon ke internet connection ko baklan kemudian ngidang don ke jing angnur ban le kata di ngin pek lanu ngila ban le ka jing trelang bar ka college nakar bar karilang education society ngi tip kan don ko pora ke ngila ban le kata bangin don ka center banarap iki kun samlah gila kwa lalu mano ban sedang banarap iki kun samlah akan mau mensua ka bangi le tai ka KJWA ka ai ke jing hikai kumne ka ai coaching ka ai ke jing harap kumno bagian nang bar apply ka bon ba kun samlah wat lagi na pas ki kuliah di namar bomlin nang wat apply ka khamtam ka apply online kamlong ka pasok kalau ka bari phindai bar sekolah rai ma phiki samlaru haba phimnang phindai bar sekolah rai mano ro omdei barok banyak start banyak nanglut kita kali online kita kali internet kam deh masuk jadu nuru kenapa kita hal kiron kam ya gua pinyo lo nakron kanu kan sadon kini ki youth center ka bang yesko na kalen ka balangro na kalen ka presbytery ne mokrat mat kan sapli ka youth center kini ki sni ki barwan ikle leti don menungro ki baladon ki infrastruktur ko biang ban sedang ya kan dia bani rapi ki kon samlah hak jing bang penyerap ki kumno bakit nang apply online ikikam ko bon ki bade hak sarkar me khalaya bar ka sarkar india ro ha sarkar me khalaya ro paro ke kam kumbang mata wat ye ki kam ki bade tang ki contract basis ro la hot be ban apply online ti kalong ka kadi ko por hak ba ngela de ba kai ban nang ngela de bat kat bangin parnang padir ni berwajing tip berwajing arab oi kesultanan bakidon kini ki cyber ti balai arab subon ya ki samla bani apply kam keleng tendre la daya apply kam bar tekap no kin la ban le kini ki cyber tongin sepek ke por bar bertangin sedang no hakabangin le la kumno tang kum ba artling le ka DSC ya ka ba bagin le ka wei pede ki general knowledge ya ka ba ngakwa EP bapin saya kini kira pak try ni pai ni samla sibet ndala ayu try ni syong satai ni pek kena bagi imano ba bala berjubab ke badai namarkan sa jubab kan sa reply hi hagan ka puar point kan saya tu kalau ke badai ka answer ka kalau correct te mano ba yo step ba yo bunne ngin sa ai ka price mo kata.
You all aware that in Meghalaya we have more than 80 colleges, and among these colleges only around 20 colleges who got all the affiliation, including the National Accreditation and Assessment Council. And we are proud to tell you that we are one among such colleges. So in India, all over the country, it is just only 30 to 35% of the colleges who got all this recognition. And we are one among them. So it's my pleasure to welcome you all, the youth of the district, to be a part of this coaching. There are many activities that we are going to, we as the college, we used to organize both academic and non-academic activities. And to get the recognition, to get the assessment, a good grade from the NAC, we will have to give also the service to the community. Service to the community, there are many. We adopt villages, we organize program in different locality, we organize a skill and entrepreneurship program for the students, and this coaching for competitive exam, it is one of the area that every non-accredited college should have within the campus, so that we can help our own students. After graduate from the college, they should know where to go. So we have more than 30 committees in the college to look after the different activities that we have assigned to them. And for this competitive exam, we have entrusted to one committee, we call it Career Guidance and Counseling Cell Committee. So my colleague who look after this committee, they are with us today. So I have invited them to be with us. And I should congratulate the Rilang Education Society for taking this initiative to organize this coaching for competitive exam, because this is the area that we are lacking behind, especially in the entire Southwest Kasales. So I should appreciate the initiative taken by Renek. He always think for the betterment of the youth, and I appreciate him for taking this initiative to conduct this coaching for competitive exam. When we talk about competitive exam, it does not end up with the upcoming competitive exam in the DSC level, but we would like to see that the youth of this area should also compete themselves at the state level, MPSC, and at the national level. There are various opportunities open for the youth of this area, especially those who have graduated and postgraduate. So there will be exam in the SSC, there will be exam in the bank sector, various companies, including the government department. So without guidance, it will be a problem for many of our youth, especially in the rural areas. But what yes, just now he has mentioned that 80% it depends on our hard work. Yes, I agree with that. But 20% we need proper guidance from someone who have experience. So I do believe that this kind of coaching, it will really motivate the youth, the aspirant. It will also really help them to go in the right direction, how to prepare yourself for the exam. So as I said, we should not focus only with the SE level. We should focus with the MPSC and UPSC exam. So I expect that through this coaching for competitive exam, many of you will come up with flying colors. Dalam ni kerja Rilang Jong Karilang Education Society, but mani kasnapsing college. Ngangai bana kalian ni college kumangor ni julong berbor ni jupli berbor ke jengkan banyarap la kalau yang kisama la kalau yang kipat yang sudah yang kena kadang katan karena kalau ke bagi don kam ke bagi senut bangila bat ai ke jengrap we always open ke opportunity kum katan marka thom ke jingi badon hangne kum ka institution ni kalau banyarap ya kisama kalau kalawai jong kari ke jengi te yakin kucing mentah ban ketin biang kalong ba ngin ya pej rekat dangi kino punya juga college rekat kino punya juga Rilang Education Society ba ini kum presiden joka ibu berdeng kum sekretari ngar made dukhat joka te Rilang Education Society tinggi tre rekat nomor kathom kalong tangkawai kata kalong banyarap sama banyarap ya ki para sungsnon jong ni kadang time to be ikujuni te nakmau dan we ramba ruang pe habangila e kadang program ngimdai bandon tangkalin tirum de bandon kalin time kabut ba habangiwan ma register ngne kane bandon ka outcome na kane ka register ikujuni tamud ba nanne la sai la dapila dap ikene kuching ikerman ba ke exam ba pipin ne compete la de pen yo ya ka jingjo ngimdon e bandon tang kajing kipop kerja. Ini yo ikamet ke bukai ke bakya, ini yo kajing start kajing champagne. Namar kajing job kajong way pu way ya kana kono kam tam ikom tim exam. Kam dai kajing job lengba kajing kit surau. Kemau ya. Andai kadai ka individual effort. Jong way pu way to bak way kinang enjoy, way kinang ya let ya ki borok tandai ni have and improve simat. Ada lagi lah pun kita tangan ni kajing job kono pi. Di college pun